Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to tag someone on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app. After that, tap on this plus icon from the top to create a new post. Then tap on photo or video and select a picture or video from your gallery to upload. Hit done from your top right corner. Now tap on the bottom menu of your post. Here we have Tag People. Simply tap on it and search for your friend's name. Tap to add your friend, then tap on Done. Go ahead and post it. Select Share to Facebook only. This is how your post will look like. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.